Happy Chinese New Year! To celebrate the Year of Horse, I'm cooking an 8-dish Chinese New Year feast. For the first time! And make sure to stay for dessert, cause we will share a lucky bun I bet you've never seen before. Let's start cooking. Chinese New Year, or Spring Festival, has been celebrated for over 3,000 years, which marks the arrival of spring, 春. Family gather at the same table, where every dish carries a wish. And today, I want to share that table with you. I hope you're hungry, cause we are in for a feast. The first dish is shrimp with garlic and glass noodles. 腰缠万贯, which literally means wealth wrapped around your waist. First, cut the shrimp down the back and fold the tail into the slit. Open it up slightly so it turns into these little shrimp pom-poms. As always, ton of garlic. Lethal amount of garlic and fresh chili. Heat up oil until smoking and season with light soy, oyster sauce, sugar, pinch of salt, and white pepper. Then we wrap the noodles around the shrimp, just like fortune sticking with you all year. Spoon the garlic sauce on top, make sure everything is fully coated. Steam for about 8 minutes. Finish with chopped scallions and the final drizzle of sizzling hot oil. Wealth secured. 祝您腰缠万贯. Now we move on to the heavy players. 四喜丸子, 4 Joy Meatballs. Round, 圆 in Chinese symbolizes 团圆, which means reunion. No matter how busy the year gets or how far you've gone, New Year's dinner is about coming home and sitting together. We're only frying them about 1 minute on each side, just enough to hold the shape. Then we transfer them into a large pot. Add ginger scallion, star anise, bay leaf, and rock sugar, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, and salt. Pour in hot water until the meatballs are fully covered. Then stew on low heat for 2 hours. Meanwhile, we can blanch some Pak Choy for decoration. 2 hours later, they smell incredible. And yes, judging by their size, I'm really questioning my choice of plate here. Reduce part of the stock in a pan, slowly stir in starch water until it thickens. Then drizzle the glossy sauce over the meatballs. 祝您团团圆圆. Time for some greens. I'm from Northeast China, and back home, New Year's dinner is very meat heavy. Little tip for boiling veg: if you add some oil and a pinch of salt, it will really help keeping the leaves green. My mom told me when she was a child, meat was rare. So New Year was when you brought out the best ingredients you could find. This dish is called 锦上添花, which means adding flowers to brocade, making good things even better. 祝您锦上添花. I like feet, or hands in this matter. I know this one might be an acquired taste, but back home, pork trotters definitely have a place on the table. There is a saying in the Northeast, 有挠头, which means grabbing fortunes and keeping it in your hands. Adding dried chili, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and a big spoon of soybean paste. Add water to cover and stew for about 90 minutes. They are now melting soft. Transfer to a baking tray and roast for 15 minutes. Finish with cumin and chili powder. Money in hand. 祝您发财就手. Until now, that's more than enough food for 2 people. So why 8? Number 8 in Chinese is 八, which sounds very similar to 发, rich. That brings us to our main dish, 8 treasure chicken. First, we aggressively marinate the chicken with soy and oyster sauce. Make sure it's coated inside out and let it sit for about 4 hours. Wash and soak glutinous rice, diced carrots, Shiitake mushrooms, bamboo shoots, Chinese cured sausage, 腊肠. We have our 8 treasures ready to go in. This is my first time cooking a full Chinese New Year dinner by myself, and honestly, it's work. Most families start preparing days before New Year's Eve. Marinating, pickling, chopping, frying is full-on operation. People often say there's less and less festivity every year, but I think the process is the festival. Sure, you can eat chicken anytime, but it's the unnecessary urgency, the never-ending preps, and the aggressive yelling from kitchen. That's what makes it special. Seal the treasure up and it's ready to go in the pot. Make sure to drizzle in the marinade and a little bit of cooking wine. Dash of water to keep the steams up. Cook on low heat for 1 hour. The smell is amazing. Cut the chicken open and drizzle on some stock. A full house of treasures. 祝您吉庆满堂. No Chinese New Year dinner is complete without fish. 鱼 in Chinese sounds like surplus. So this dish 年年有余 means you may have abundance every year. Not just money, but time, energy, and happiness. The fish is always served whole, symbolizing completeness. I've never cooked the whole fish before, mainly because I'm terrible at dealing with the bones. Drop the pieces into boiling water for about 2 minutes. Then we plate the pieces back on top to complete the fish. Add pan-fried garlic and chili. Sprinkle of scallions. Pour over sizzling hot oil. Spoon of steamed fish soy sauce. Abundance overloaded. 祝您年年有余. You might be surprised, but dumplings aren't always served during New Year's dinner. In many northern families, we eat them at midnight instead, after fireworks. As a proper northeasterner, I always have a stash in my freezer. These spinach dough ones are perfect for the occasion, green like jade. We finish them with a crispy skirt. 祝您翠玉满堂. Time for dessert! I'm so glad you stayed. I've been excited about these the whole time. I'm using red yeast rice powder for the red dough, mixing with warm water and knead into a dry dough. For the yellow one, I'm using pumpkin powder. For the plain dough, a little lard keeps it soft and white. Time to roll! Start by dividing the plain dough. And of course, we're making 8 buns. Roll it flat. Add a big spoon of red bean paste. Fold to the center and seal tightly. And we have little snowball ready. Roll out the red dough, cut into squares, decorate all around with a fork, and stick them onto the bun with water. Once they're all covered in little blankets, we roll out the yellow dough. Stamp it with Fu mold. Fu means blessing. Bless whoever invented the mold, because carving that by hand would take me forever. It's too cute. Steam these cute blessing buns for 18 minutes and let them rest. 祝您五福临门. Thank you for joining me on this feast. I hope these blessings will find their way to you in 2026. And remember, wherever you are watching from, you are always welcome at this table. I will see you at the next meal. And 新春快乐!